Hello friends, I have a lab in Hyper-V and I have created the couple of virtual servers and the test machines in my infrastructure. So today I want to connect the internet on the virtual machine, but I'm unable to connect the internet on the virtual machine which is running in hypervisor. Okay, so let me show you. There are a couple of options are available to connect the internet, connect the private network, connect the internal network. So let me show you how can we connect the various type of the switch, virtual switch, so that we can use in our virtual machines. So first of all, you can see here this is the virtual switch manager. So there are three types of the switch you can create in the Hyper-V. So first is the external virtual switch, and second is the internal virtual switch, and third is the private virtual switch. So first of all, in the external virtual switch, there is a feature you can see it's showing a creates a virtual switch that binds to a physical network adapter so that virtual machine can access a physical network. So suppose that if you have connected your machine to a Wi-Fi, or if you have connected your machine with the local network, so in that case, if you create a external virtual switch, so with the help of you can connect the internet which is associated or wind on the your physical machines, right? So if you create the external virtual switch manager, and after you need to just connect this network in the virtual machine, right? And second option in the internal, it will provide the facility between to access the physical machine and the virtual machine which is running in the Hyper-V. And in the third option, you can see if you create this virtual switch, so you cannot be access between the virtual machine and the physical machine, right? So that's why we are going to just create the external switch so that we can use and connect the internet on the virtual machine which is running in Hyper-V. Okay, so I have selected the external, and then I'm going to click on create virtual switch, and I will give the name external external virtual switch, right? And you can see here are in my laptop, the dual band wireless AC 8265. This is the network driver which is showing here. So I'm going to select this one, and we need to just click on apply and click on yes. So it will not take much time to create the virtual switch. Okay, so now you can see in the left side it's showing a virtual switch has been created. Okay, now I'm going to close it, and then I can, sorry, connect in the virtual machine. So let me show you. This is a one of my virtual machine. So I'm going to log in so that I can connect the internet on this machine. So let me show you in my machine. You can see, uh, just a moment. I'll show you the network adapters list of. You can see I have the one network adapter which is connected, another is in the disable state, right? If I want to, let me show you, is there an internet is running or not. So you can see, we can also try to ping www.google.com. So this is unable to ping this google.com domain, right? So we need to first connect the network adapter. Okay, let me show you how we can connect. So I have just minimized the machine and just going to click on file, then click on settings. Here you can see the add hardware options, and you can see there are two network adapter is showing connected available in this machine. So first network adapter, this is a this is also connected over the default switch, and second is also connected over the default switch, right? So first is working fine, and now the second network adapter we are going to some connect with the external switch which I have just created. Okay, so we have just selected the external virtual switch. Then we will click on apply and then click on OK. Right now we can just uh, this is the network adapters. So I'm going to just enable this one, and you can see it's showing enabled. And let me show the status of this network adapter. So currently this is showing the it has taken the APIPA network range, so that's why internet will not work. So let me just wait. This is trying to identifying the IP address. Here we can also check the IP. This is selected the dynamic IP address. So it will take the IP address from the physical machine. So it will take some time to just detect the IP address. Okay, so now it has been identified the second network adapter. Let me show the IP address in the status, in the details. You can see now it has detected the IP address from my physical machine. So I'm just going to browse the internet. So let me try to ping once again. So you can see this is able to connect the internet. So this is the first time trying to connect the internet. So that's why it's taking some time to browse the page. So you can see now internet is working fine on this machine. All right. So this was the simple steps which needs to enable or connect the external switch so that we can just connect the internet on the virtual machine. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for your watching this video. Have a good day.